Okay guys, so I had fiber internet recently put into my house. The guys who put this in did not do a good job bearing it to the house. So, got out my trusty Dremel and carved out a little channel with some piping, PVC piping to protect it. And so yeah, I think it's turned out pretty good. You can see that there. So like obviously if I didn't do this, it could so easily get chewed up by a lawnmower or something. So yeah, I'm gonna paint it, make it look better, but yeah, it looks like a lot more protected. And I can do something similar over here, as this is just loose and unprotected. So yeah, that's what I'll do. So if you're wondering what tool to use, yeah, so I've got the Dremel 8200 battery powered, and I've got this attachment here, and this is the drywall bit, and it just chewed right through the ABS piping. And yeah, you can see the strip here that I took out. So yeah, that's a great way to protect your fiber. You know, if it's already been pre-run, you're looking for a way to hard protect it. And then you'll have to get some attachments to, depending on where you put it or paint it. But yeah, I think it's a good alternative to protecting your fiber. So yeah, hope that helps.